Stripping depth adjustment and locking function. To adjust the depth of stripping and lock at the required depth. 1. To loosen the lock knob. Rotate the adjusting knob counterclockwise to the end, enabling the tool to be close and seamless. 2. Try to insert the wire into large and small holes. The hole the wire cannot pass through is the hole to be applied for stripping. 3. To rotate the depth adjusting knob clockwise until the wire can pass through the hole. 4. Rotate the depth adjusting knob counterclockwise, enable the blade can precisely reach the external insulation of the wire. Then try to pull the wire, if it is pullable, to keep on rotating the depth adjusting knob counterclockwise until the wire can hardly be pulled. And rotate the lock on knob clockwise to its maximum tightness. 5. To open the tool, reinsert the wire and spin the tool for 2 to 3 turns. Then observe the stripping condition. If it is insufficient depth, repeat the 4th steps, then the optimal stripping depth can be adjusted the locked on. Note. 1. Once the condition of the warpage appears at the stripping position, the suggestion is to adjust the way the wire looks into a straight line to get the best stripping effect. 2. The proposed stripping depth is half of the insulation layer from its external and avoids the inner core being incidentally cut. Untwist function. To untwist the twisted pair in one step. 1. To insert the twisted wire into the oval hole in the center of the roller, just put it into the oval hole and not necessarily align the core wire to the small hole in the roller. 2. Slowly rotate the roller and push the wire into the oval hole simultaneously, and the internal mechanism of the roller can automatically separate the wire. To push the wire in and rotate the roller slowly based on the length of the wire that needs to be untwisted. Note. 1. It is not necessary to separate the wire tip at all, and the separating wire tip will cause the non-smooth operation of the roller function. 2. According to the various twisting intervals of twisted pairs, the speed of the roller is also different. The more intense the spacing is, the faster the roller rotates. 3. This function is supportive of the core wire specifications of AWG23 and AWG24. Straightening function. Straighten the wire. 1. Do not remove the untwisted wire from the tool, and in the meantime, keep the device closed after the twisted wire is separated. 2. To rotate the tool for 90 degrees and remains closed simultaneously. 3. Pull up the wire and push out the tool at the same time. Note. 1. The tool needs to remain at the status of full closed while the wire is being pulled up. 2. The wire's resistance of pull-up may vary based on various twisting pitches of the twisted pair and the thickness of the core wire. 3. Do not pull up the wire too fast, the better the effect of straightening the wire will be obtained. 4. This function is supportive of the core wire specifications of AWG23 and AWG24. Cutting function. Cutting standard RJ45 connector standard core wire length. 1. After straightening the core wire, sort the cables based on the sequence of T568A and T568B, and trim the warped part at the end of the wire with electrician pliers. 2. Insert the sorted wires into the cutting hole and push it to the end. Now, close the tool and trim 8 core wires at a time. 3. When removing the wire from the tool, please ensure the wire pairs are in the correct order from chaos. Note: this function is supportive of the core wire specifications of AWG23 and AWG24.